Hey everybody, it's Braden at Gear 30 and this is the Go Anywhere Toilet Kit. Almost all national parks require you to carry out your waste, your poop, when you go into the wilderness or any sensitive ecosystem area. Inside of this compartment right here, you have the waste bag, which has odor control inside of it, one hand sanitizer, and one toilet paper kit. These are super quick and easy to throw in your pack if you're going climbing or maybe going into an area where you're not necessarily sure if there's going to be a bathroom or not. These fall along into the Leave No Trace ethics. Make sure you grab a couple of these for your next backpacking trip.